So I went fishing with my buddy at Fort De Soto the other day, and right here I was teaching him like Master Uguay, throw it at the rocks, let it sit. I was teaching him everything he knows. He was stinky also. He was blending in with the fish. He maybe just hooked up. Let's see. Oh, he fucking...
Tighten him up, tighten him up. There you go. Tighten it before it goes on. Have you ever dropped that?
Yeah, he does, he does. Oh! He's going to grab it.
Or use it for bait.
Hell yeah.
What do you bite on?
Pinfish.
What size leader is that?
I think it's 20.
You got him right in the corner though.
Yeah.
You ain't
Yeah.
Let me squeeze in right there.
Smoked it. He fucking oh my god.
Bring him to me, bring him to me. Shit, dude. Did you have it on video?
Oh yeah.